Hello everyone! In this session, we'll be teaching you how to use the remote monitoring station in Robot Manager to track Kebi's operational status. In the following lessons, we will start with an introduction overview, and then sequentially explain how to manage the watch list, set monitoring conditions, and address abnormal statuses and troubleshooting. Chapter 1, Introduction. The monitor station is a key feature in the Robot Manager, used for viewing the current working status of multiple robots online, monitoring abnormal conditions in real time, and performing remote troubleshooting. To use the monitor station, you must first enter the Robot Manager. In the left sidebar of the Robot Manager, click to enter the monitor station. Next, we will explain how to manage the watch list. First, click Manage Watch List. Select the robot group or individual device you want to monitor, and then click Save. This will add the devices to the watch list and apply the default monitoring conditions automatically. Once a device is added to the watch list, you can view relevant information for each device on the screen. This interface consists of 3 sections. The first section at the top is the device overview, showing the number of groups and devices currently being monitored. Next is the Abnormality Statistics tab. If there are any abnormalities in the devices being monitored, you can quickly view the number of devices with different abnormal conditions here. Additionally, clicking the tab can be used as a filtering function. Finally, there is the group list. It displays the devices being monitored within each group and the key monitoring items for each group. Next, we will explain how to set up the monitor station settings. As mentioned earlier, when a device is added to the watch list, the system will apply the default monitoring conditions automatically. The monitoring conditions include 3 main parts: Setting Monitoring Report, Automatic Control Project, and Monitoring Notification. In the Set Monitoring Report, you can choose which hardware and software states of the robot to monitor. For Kebi, the connection status is Necessary Monitoring Item. Others include hardware status, battery, off-ground alert, and apps that are allowed to be opened. In the Automatic Control Project, you can remotely control various settings of the robot to ensure no unauthorized modifications on the robot side. The settings that can be controlled including software update schedule, schedule activation, never sleep, hide all exception prompts, system notifications and push notification settings, BG music volume, screen brightness, joint locking, and autonomous behavior. In the monitoring notification, you can set up the recipients to receive system notification emails when a severe abnormality occurs with the robot. You can set up to 20 recipients. The method for customizing monitoring conditions is as follows. Click Monitor Station Settings and add monitoring condition. Select Kebi as the device type and click OK to enter the operation page. First, upon entering the operation page, you can edit the name of the monitoring condition. On the Monitoring Report setting page, you can toggle the monitoring conditions on and off. In this demonstration, we will turn on all items. For apps that are allowed to be opened, you can select the specified app from the app list and set up a corresponding one-touch open button. Next, on the Automatic Control Project page, you can freely toggle various monitoring options. We will first demonstrate enabling the Hide All Exception prompts and set the desired volume level and screen brightness. In the Joint Locking section, when activated, you can choose to enable or disable both the joint and chassis motors of the robot. For this demonstration, we will not activate this feature. Additionally, in the Autonomous Behavior section, once enabled, you can select to toggle the active conversations and disable voice wake-up on and off. Here, we will demonstrate enabling active conversations and disabling the disable voice wake-up feature. Finally, on the monitoring notification page, enter the email addresses of the recipients for system notifications and click Save to complete the setup. Next, select the devices to apply this monitoring condition to, and choose this condition in the Manage Monitoring Conditions. Next, let's see the effects together. Click the device field in the monitor station, and the troubleshooting function menu will show on the right side. And click Open File Management to open the file management on the robot side remotely. Similarly, click Open Settings, and the settings will open on the robot side. Additionally, the volume level, screen brightness, and autonomous behavior of this device will follow the settings from the monitor station, and users cannot adjust these on the robot. Finally, we will explain abnormal status and troubleshooting. The monitoring station uses 4 colors of indicator lights to represent different statuses. Green indicates normal status, brown indicates moderate abnormalities, including hardware version abnormal, hardware chassis malfunction, hardware joint malfunction, hardware exception, low battery, or not charging. Red indicates severe abnormalities, including specified app exited, app not found, raw flow project not found, hardware version abnormal, hardware chassis malfunction, hardware joint malfunction, hardware exception, off-ground alert, or critical low battery. Purple indicates critical abnormalities, including lost connection, and RMS logged out. When an abnormal state is detected, you can attempt troubleshooting remotely through the monitor station. There are 2 main types of operations: repair actions and detections. For Kebi, the repair actions include restarting, repairing firmware, updating software, hiding bot prompts, and opening specified applications. Detections include network quality checking, uploading system reports, and taking screenshots. These functions provide more information about the device that will really helpful in troubleshooting issues. Congratulations on learning the monitor station. For more tutorials, please scan the QR code to continue learning at the NUA support.